Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Final Fantasy VII Remake Stuttering. If you're experiencing stuttering in Final Fantasy VII Remake can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to address the issue. So here are some potential solutions to fix stuttering in the game. First, update your graphics drivers. Ensure that you have the latest graphics drivers installed for your graphics card. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause performance issues, including stuttering. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, such as NVIDIA or AMD, to download and install the latest drivers for your specific card model. Next, check system requirements. Confirm that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for running Final Fantasy VII Remake. If your system falls below the recommended specifications, it may struggle to run the game smoothly. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Launch the game and navigate to the graphics settings menu. Lowering some graphical settings such as shadows, anti-aliasing, or particle effects can help alleviate stuttering by reducing the strain on your system. Experiment with different settings to find a balance between visual quality and performance. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Background processes can consume system resources and impact game performance. Check your task manager to identify any resource intensive applications and terminate them before launching the game. Disable overlays and game recording software. If you have any overlays or game recording software, such as Discord overlay, Steam overlay, or NVIDIA Shadow Play enabled, try disabling them. These overlays can sometimes interfere with game performance and cause stuttering. Check for background downloads and updates. Make sure there are no downloads or updates running in the background while playing Final Fantasy VII Remake. These processes can consume bandwidth and system resources, impacting game performance. Close. So what you need to do is I forgot to put it here. So you need to close unnecessary browser tabs. So if you have multiple browser tabs open while playing, close any unnecessary ones. Browsers can consume significant system sources, and having multiple tabs open may impact game performance. Monitor system temperatures. Overheating can cause performance issues in games. Use monitoring software to check your system temperature while playing Final Fantasy VII Remake. If temperatures are reaching excessive levels, ensure that your computer's cooling system is functioning properly. And consider cleaning any dust built up in the cooling components. Verify game files. If the previous steps don't resolve the issue, you can try verifying the integrity of game files through the game launcher or platform. This process will check for and repair any corrupted or missing game files that may be causing the stuttering. The last thing that you can do is to contact support. If none of the previous steps help, it is recommended to reach out to the official support channels for Final Fantasy VII Remake. The game developers or publishers may have specific troubleshooting steps or updates available to address stuttering issues. Remember that system configurations and software vary, so not all solutions may apply to your specific situation. It is always a good idea to consult the official support channels for the game or the community forums for further assistance. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!